Copy that. Dumping in position.
Keep pushing that aggregate toward the bucket.
Okay, you're clear. All secure.
Okay, easy now. Bring the hook down to the axle. نزلها شوي، اربطها. تمام، اسحب.
We've got a collapse on the south side. The roller is going down.
Roger that. Initiating emergency stop. All right, tension is holding. Clear the pit. Roger that. Looking good up here. Hold steady. We have alignment. Secure the load.